Good morning. Welcome to the video forecast discussion for October 6, 2016. It's 9 a.m. We have temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s in some of your suburbs, lower to mid 50s over the rest of the region, with winds veering to the northeast and east around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Currently, they're from the north. They'll eventually be from the east by the time we get to later on this evening. When we take a look at the radar, not much going on. It's pretty much high and dry out there. And on the infrared satellite picture, high pressure is sitting right over the region, providing tranquil weather conditions for today and for tomorrow. There, unfortunately, is Hurricane Matthew. Hurricane Matthew is a rapidly intensifying hurricane. Winds are 125 miles per hour. Pressure is down to 940 millibars. And that hurricane is strengthening and likely to be a Category 4 hurricane as it's approaching the Florida coast tonight on through tomorrow. Hurricane Matthew is just going to be a devastating storm for anyone in central and southern, well, basically everyone in eastern Florida. If you're in eastern Florida and you haven't left already, please stop watching this video and leave now. If you have family in eastern Florida, invite them up to the northern Mid-Atlantic, up to Philadelphia and New York, and get them the heck out of there, because it is going to be a very, if you thought Sandy was bad in New Jersey, this hurricane will be just as, if not more, devastating for portions of eastern Florida. That's how serious this event is. I'm being that serious, okay? That's how devastating this storm can be, as it's skirting along the coast and heading up towards the Georgia coastal waters by the time we get to Saturday, and then up through South Carolina Saturday night on through Sunday, and then rotating out. So basically from southern North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, all these locations are in for a very rough couple of days of weather. The only good news here is that as this hurricane is lifting north along the Florida coast and towards Georgia and South Carolina, the hurricane will be steadily weakening. That is pretty much the only good news we have here. But currently right now, all eyes are on Florida, as the Bahamas are just getting lashed right now, and it's not going to get any better over the next couple of days. So definitely prayers go out to these locations. As far as our neck of the woods, this cold front will be moving through the region. By the time we get to Saturday, this area of low pressure will lift northward with a trailing cold front. That trough, of course, will miss Hurricane Matthew and not bring it northward. Instead, it'll force it out back into the Atlantic. But this cold front and then the high pressure that follows will move through on Saturday, and then tranquil weather conditions on through next week. So let's dive into this forecast. For this afternoon, look for high pressure and control with clear skies, high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. For this evening on through tomorrow morning, clear skies are expected with winds from the east around 5 to 15 miles per hour, some increasing clouds towards the morning hours. Look for lows in the mid to upper 50s throughout the region, a couple of upper 40s to lower 50s in your northern suburbs. For tomorrow afternoon, high pressure again, generally in control. There might be an isolated shower trying to creep in, but for the most part, I'm expecting dry conditions for tomorrow with high temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. On Saturday, our cold front will move through the region with periods of showers, heavy at times, looking anywhere from a tenth to a quarter of an inch of rain. Temperatures on Saturday range from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows and lower 70s for highs. On Sunday, high pressure will be in control with some windy conditions. Winds from the northwest are around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Look for temperatures to range from the mid 50s for lows and mid to upper 60s for highs. On Monday, high pressure will be in place with clear skies expected. Lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the mid to upper 60s. On Tuesday, again, clear skies are expected with high pressure sitting right over the region. Lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. On Wednesday, high pressure shifts off the coast with increasing cloud cover. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 50s for lows, lower 70s for highs. A cold front will move through on Thursday with a few isolated showers possible on Thursday morning. Otherwise, look for temperatures in the mid 50s for lows and mid to upper 60s for highs. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.